What is an involute in a gear? Understanding the involute curve. Generation of the involute curve. Imagine unwrapping a taut string from a cylinder, base circle. The path traced by the end of the string as it unwinds is called an involute curve. Importance in gears. This curve has specific properties that make it ideal for gear teeth. Constant velocity ratio. The involute profile ensures that the gears transmit motion with a constant velocity ratio, which is crucial for smooth operation. Tolerant of misalignment, gears with involute teeth are less sensitive to slight changes in the distance between the gear centers. This allows for some flexibility in manufacturing and assembly. Efficient power transmission. The involute shape provides efficient power transmission with minimal friction. Involute profile in gears. Base circle. The base circle is the starting point of the involute curve. For a gear, the involute curve extends from the base circle outward to form the working surface of the gear tooth. Pressure angle. The pressure angle is the angle between the line of action, the line along which the force is transmitted between gears, and the tangent to the pitch circle. It is typically 20 degrees or 14.5 degrees in most standard gears and is directly related to the involute curve. In summary, the involute is a curve that is critical in gear design because it ensures smooth, efficient, and reliable gear operation. When you are broaching, the lubricant that you use is the key component to get the best performance in your gear. Our Royal 74 and Royal 13 are the oils that can increase the tool life and get the best finish in your part at the same time. Thanks for watching NCOC channel.